Hey, you see this? Look at this. See this right here? Make sure I'm getting that in the angle. Look at that. That is a beautiful piece of budget PC gaming beauty. So why can't I sell it? What's up, everybody? It's PJ the Great. I hope you're having a super beautiful day. And today I'm back with another video, and it's not the type of video that I was thinking I was gonna make after taking a 2-month hiatus. This is pretty much a rant because I cannot figure out for the life of me why I can't sell this computer. It's a budget gaming PC build, and I think it's amazing bang for the buck that would get you into PC gaming right now, that has a really good promising upgrade path. I just can't figure out why I can't sell the thing. Why I cannot sell the thing. I built this thing back in November of 2021. The filming of this video, it is towards the end of January 2022, and I haven't sold it. Every gaming computer that I've ever built, I've sold in a matter of weeks. One computer I even sold the same day I put it up. So why can't I sell this one? I don't get it. So I thought I would come on here on the YouTubes on my channel and get some feedback from my viewers and people who might be out there in the market for a starter gaming PC, and figure out why I cannot sell this thing. Now the specs on it, the specs are pretty respectable. It's rocking a Ryzen 5 1500X 4-core 8-threaded processor, 16 gigabytes of 3000 megahertz RAM from Corsair, 480 gigabyte SSD, an RX 560 2GB version, which is still not bad, a 550 watt 80 plus bronze rated power supply, and it's nestled in a Nova Mesh TG case with 3 RGB fans with remote to control the fan speeds and the lights. I'm selling all this for a whopping $500. $500 and no takers. I don't get it. And it's not like I haven't had anybody approach me and offer to buy it from me, but it's like lowballing me, like big time. Like it seems like a majority of the offers that I get, will you take 300 for it? Will you take 350 for it? No and no. $300 for this? Are you kidding me right now? What is going on? It's like everybody broke, or did everyone just overnight become cheap? I don't get it, because I think this thing is worth $500. It's worth more than $500. And as you can see right here, I'm loading up some games right now to do a little test to show you how well this thing performs. And all I want is $500. So those are the numbers right there. As you can see, it performs fine. I mean, of course, with these type of specs, you're gonna have to lower the settings, but you still get an enjoyable experience and you get it for great money. Now, you're probably maybe thinking, okay, $500, people are lowballing you at offering $300, $350. Somebody even offered me an Xbox Series S, and I have no interest in that. I'm a PC gamer. How much did it cost me to build this? Well, I did a tally, and all the parts all together cost $590. So I'm actually taking a hit. The reason why I'm selling it for only $500 is because some of the parts I already had on hand, and I had them for a while, and I have no need for them. So why not just throw it into a build, get somebody into PC gaming at an affordable price, and just call it a day. $500, I think, is a fair price. Realistically, I should be selling it for like $650 based upon how much I paid for all the parts in here. But all I'm asking for is $500 for a computer that has $590 worth of parts in it. And that's not including my labor and my love for building PCs. So I can't understand it. If you can understand it, hit me up in the comment section and let me know. I just had a conversation with one of my subscribers, which is, I'm considering like a buddy of mine, Jay's Beers. He, in a nutshell, said, we were having this discussion during my gaming stream. If you like gaming streams, subscribe for that as well. He narrowed it down and just said, people are cheap and they want stuff for free. And that's the only thing that I can think of, because the price cannot be beat. And I also told him that I'll give it to a family member or a friend that's in need of a gaming PC for free before I'll allow somebody to lowball me and only offer me $300 for this PC. This build is worth more than that. If you build it yourself, you're paying $590, and that's before tax. So come on with the lowballing, you know? I mean, I'm not desperate. Hey, if you like this video, do me a favor and give it a big old thumbs up. But if you hated it, you can give it a thumbs down. I don't care, because YouTube doesn't show that anymore anyway. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell right next to it so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos or start new live gaming streams. And your boy's back. I'm going to be doing more PC videos and tech reviews and gaming streams, so make sure you stick around for that. And until I see you in the next video, hopefully this thing will be out of my house and I have some money in my pocket. Reasonable money. Audi 5000G. So you mean to tell me I paid $590 for all these parts, put all of my time and hard work and effort into putting it together, and I'm supposed to just give it to you for $300 less than what it cost me? People are strange.